Good morning. It's Monday morning and
wala, research na.
Research here in the hotel.
Hello guys. We are now leaving Lanes, Katulganan. So thank you very much for their hospitality. They've treated us like we were you visit Mati, we strongly suggest Lanes, Katulganan, the best place to stay, knowing that they are cheap, limpi po ang ilang area, and their crew are very hospital, approachable, and paspas ang ilang service. At the budget of 1,000, pwede na mo 2 persons but 1 free breakfast na siya. Back to Buso, kay nag-andam si Mami dito para sa mong kayo, pati kay kita rin ka ng ano, no, andaman nag-breakfast, no. On our way back to Buso, back to you, kay nag-drive pa ko. Kato lang, bye bye. Michi. Hello my friend Kanding. I remember last time makabot lang na mo igo ang mangga diri. Good afternoon. We arrived here sa Mati Dahican Beach and tura si Totz. Dito may nagpark. Never ceases to amaze us. No, it's still one of the best beach diri sa Mindanao. Kita nimo ang overall very blue water. Dili gid ka magmahay sa imong 50 pesos diri. So, I'll be back to you guys mamaya. 50 pesos na entrance and free na ang parking. Actually very sulit. Hi Tot. Ayan, diba? Working na, balik ka nga kung ano. Sige, apil ka nila. Michi, apil. Si Totz, apil. Sila cham-cham, apil. Tapos kay view ba yun ba, oh? Cham-cham. Zoom. Michi, zoom.
di ko naman sabi.
Ikaw, Totz, zoom. Awa na kita ang ilong, palang daan ba'y daog na. Padaan na yung ilong. Tara, maligo na ta. Dalo na to. Wala.
Picture kanina yan. Waterproof na.
Diluwi. Bili na nga akong ano dang ako ang... Assalamualaikum. So guys, yes, pauli na mi. And thank you so much sa inyong time sa pag-visit sa moang sa tawagan ni vlog. Dira dito ang katong nagpa-picture sila oh. Di ba? Nagkan kayo. So guys, thank you so much sa inyong pag-visit sa mga vlog. If you have time, please subscribe on our YouTube channel, follow us on Twitter, follow us on Instagram, and like us on Facebook. And guys, I'm telling you, Mati karon is still one of the best tourist spots there is in Mindanao. Kaning Dahican, one of the best beach ever. So thank you so much guys, and assalamualaikum. We are back here sa Sleeping Dinosaur. Yes, sila Mami nag-enjoy sa ilang view. Actually, it's not our first time here. Ganahan gyapon mi magbalik-balik. So I am on the top of the world. So the good thing about this place is it's free and you enjoy the view. And mo na siya ang ginatawag of Sleeping Dinosaur. I don't know, but para sa kuman masyag baotan amon, pero yun na lang, Sleeping Dinosaur. So guys, yun lang. Just want you to see the view. Yes, it's already 4 in the afternoon and we are going back to Davao City. Tara si Totz ang sakyanan. And sila Mami. Hello Ading. Si Mami. Si Ading. Ambak na ding. Hi Mami.
Hello, Hiroshi.
Handa, ambak na yun. Nang bulingit.
Ganda ka, baby, no?
Welcome to Mati Davao Oriental. Mati, ito Davao Oriental.
Madayaw na pag-abot.
Pero pauli na dahil Miss Davao.